Hello, hello, good morning. Welcome to day one of my 3-day Restore Our Earth challenge. This challenge aligns with all of the Earth Day educational opportunities that are happening around the world, like really around the globe. So together we are raising awareness and taking steps to just create a greener environment for all of us, for all living beings. Today, day one of the challenge is called We Shall Breathe. EarthDay.org is hosting a virtual summit this evening looking at the climate crisis and pollution, poverty, police brutality, and the pandemic, all within a racial justice framework. These things cannot be separated, just as all of us who share this planet cannot be separated. We are one, and we are really in need of this coming together as one to make these changes so that, right, we can all survive and thrive. Our day one pranayama is really meant to begin this journey by bringing balance and calm, balance between left and right nostril, balance between solar and lunar, balance between good and bad, right and wrong, dark and light. This pranayama is meant to really begin to purify us from the inside out. Nodi Shodhana. And so it begins like this. Go ahead, find yourself seated cross-legged. Begin to balance your skull right atop of your sacrum so that the whole central channel of your spine is aligned. So we would rest our left hand on our thigh, palm down, our right hand, spin the palm up. And take your index and middle finger, your two peace fingers, and let them curl in. And so it would look sort of like this. When we start moving through, we want to use our thumb and our ring finger here to close off the nostrils, not down low, but rather nice and high up on the nose or the nasal passage. Not down low, rather up, nice and high. Okay. So with that right hand and our Vishnu mudra, right, we bring the hand right in front of the face and gently close the eyes. Take a smooth inhale, smooth exhale to empty. Using that right thumb, close off the right nostril. Inhale through the left. Close the left nostril so there's a moment of both nostrils closed before releasing the thumb, exhaling out the right. Inhaling through the right. Use the thumb, have a moment of both nostrils closed before releasing the ring finger, exhaling out the left. Inhale through the left. Close. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Close. Exhale through the left. And so it'll go like that. We'll begin by inhaling through the left. Make at least 9 loops. And we end exhaling out the left. We really want to avoid any sense of panic. If at any point throughout you feel a sense of panic, just release the right hand down. return to Samavriti Pranayama, or very equal inhalations and exhalations. So let's try this together. And gently close the eyes. Take a smooth inhale. Smooth exhale to empty. Using that right thumb, close off the right nostril. Inhale through the left. Close the left nostril so there's a moment of both nostrils closed before releasing the thumb, exhaling out the right. Inhaling through the right. Use the thumb, have a moment of both nostrils closed before releasing the ring finger, exhaling out the left. Inhale through the left. Close. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Close. Exhale through the left. Completing your final exhalation out the left. Releasing the right hand, palm up. Taking a smooth inhale between both nostrils. Slow, smooth exhale. Again, out both nostrils. Again, in this way, as you inhale, feel the clarity, feel the openness and evenness between right and left. As you exhale, empty, smooth, slow, and steady. One more inhale. Blink, opening the eyes. One more inhale. One more exhale. And feel this sense of purity, this sense of clearing out. Because any endeavor, any call to action really begins with a journey inward first. Now, your day one call to action. Go to your email, scroll to the bottom, and find the link that will take you right to the How Much Do You Know About Regenerative Agriculture quiz. We don't know what we don't know. And that's the very first step. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is the beginning of truly making lasting change. Can't wait to see you right back here tomorrow.